Hola amigos, my name is Felipe. In the previous video, I have shared how you can create a better version of your legacy theme with coding. So I have shared a few tips how you can customize that, but for many users, coding is not an option, and how we can create a better option for reader mode, for example. So in this video, I will show how you can create that without any code. And the first step, we need to check the AMP WordPress plugin website. So now I will jump to my browser and we're gonna navigate for a super important area, that is the ecosystem area. There we're gonna find our solution. Let's go now. And here at the AMP WordPress plugin website, at the top menu, we have an area called ecosystem. Once we are at the ecosystem page, we will find two important lists. The first item for that list is the AMP compatible themes. The second one are the AMP compatible plugins. But for this video, we're gonna cover the list of themes that can help us to create a better version with the reader mode. I will click on see all themes, and here at the list of compatible themes, I will find the theme that can match with the design of my non-AMP version. Before we select our theme, let's imagine one scenario. So you have a non-AMP version that you have the theme that is not AMP compatible, and you need to find a AMP compatible theme. Many users think that only the core themes are eligible to be used as reader mode, but you can install one of those compatible themes and use as your reader theme. And for this video, I will use the Astra theme. It is a theme full compatible with AMP, and there is a set of tools that can help us to customize our design without code. And for this demo, I will use a WordPress local environment with the AMP plugin already installed. And here at my dashboard, I will go to Appearance, and I will click on Add New. And here at the Add New theme, we have a list of plugins. As we can see, some of the cards has the AMP icon on the top. What that means? That icon points that this theme is AMP compatible. If I want to check all the AMP compatible themes, I can just click on AMP compatible and we will list all the themes that are compatible with AMP. Here I have found the Astra theme and I will just install them. So once the process is done, here at my list, we have the Astra theme, but we are not use the Astra theme as our main theme. And what we're gonna do now, so I will just jump to my AMP settings. And here at my AMP settings, I will scroll to template mode, and at template mode, instead we select the AMP legacy theme. I will choose the Astra theme to be my reader mode theme. So I will select there and save. Once I save, I can browse to my website and check how will look my reader mode version. And what we can do here, I can click on customize. And here at the customizer, we have all the options that Astra theme provide us to do our custom design. So what I will do, for example, I can just jump to my header builder and I can select a logo to my website. So I will just click on select logo. And here I have select the logo of my website. I will just click on select. I can skip the cropping part because here my logo is a square one. And here we have a super logo, but we can change that. I will just go to the logo width and use the slider to resize my logo. Once I found the right size to my logo, I will just click on publish. And now we have a logo in our AMP version. And what we can do more with Astra. So here at the bottom part, I have this option that I can change the order of elements. For example, if I want to switch the toggle button of my menu to the left side, I can just switch that and I can change the order of element. So as you can see here, we have loads of options that we can customize our theme, but that will be a subject for an extra video. The goal for this video is just show that you can choose a different theme than the legacy theme and do some customization that will match with your brand without any coding. And if that content was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button And if you need any help with the Import Press plugin, please contact us at the official support forum. And thanks for watching and see you next time. Ciao!